I'm Arijit Ghosh and we are at Learning for a Sustainable Future Teacher Conference here in New Delhi. I'm in conversation with Surbhi Mehta from the British Co-ed School Patiala and Rakhi Chaudhary from Dayanand Public School Jamshedpur. Welcome.
Good morning.
Both of you have presented papers in this year's teacher conference. Can you briefly talk about your work, your intervention in the classroom?
The core skills that I chose was digital literacy, and we learned many digital tools during that, and I have used those tools for the last 6 months, and it has helped me immensely because my main aim was that I wanted my children to retain the information that I impart for a longer term, right? And when we develop their kinesthetic skills, that happens eventually. So I've used photo story, I've used PowerPoint presentations for doing stuff with them. For example, I took up the topic of festivals of India. So I was able to show the photo story to my children and they enjoyed it. They were able to remember what all I had explained in that story. They were and we took a quiz also, so they could give back whatever I shared with them.
Fantastic, sounds interesting. What about your intervention in the classroom? How did you embed core skills within the curriculum?
Yeah, sir. I have selected environment science for embedding my core skill, and I chose student leadership through communication and collaboration. There was a research work done by the students, lots of research work done by the students, and they gave beautiful ideas. All the ideas given by the students only, which we have implemented this year. One of the ideas I would like to share with you that, they said, one of our students said that we should make one green team to look after the non-biodegradable waste management in the school. That was my main motto. And then what we did, we installed 2 separate dustbins in all the strategic locations in our school. One is for the dry waste and the wet waste. And the next step we did that some activity based on the recycling of old newspaper and the activity based on old used bottles. So the video they only brought, and one of our students trained the group and they made beautiful basket from the old newspaper, and we put a stall to display all the material made by them. And in that we have arranged the mega sale, because we are the part of School Enterprise Challenge for this year. So we have displayed one mega sale, Diwali mega sale. In that we gifted that beautiful basket to the parents, and we have got very good response from the parents also. Students, they want to implement for the whole school. And one thing we did that we are celebrating No Plastic Day only for standard 7, and the students want that we should implement this No Plastic Day for whole school, because we used to celebrate No Plastic Day on every Tuesday, and they want it for the whole school by next year. That was my.
What has been the biggest challenge when you have conducted these activities? What challenges did you face?
My biggest challenge is to finish my syllabus on time, because we are taking higher section, and as you know, ICSE syllabus is very vast, but it needs better planning. If we can plan it very well, we can embed core skills, and it is very helpful for teachers and all my colleagues also, peer teacher also.
Fantastic.
They all are encouraging us.
What is your next big plan? The students you said have already done presentations, have already done photo stories. Where now from here, where else?
Till now they've been I would love them to create their own photo stories now. That's my next big plan. I just want to, give them a little boost, send them in that direction where they themselves can come up with ideas, they can themselves collect the pictures, give their own voiceovers. Of course, we'll do that in school, but I think when they themselves will choose a topic, when they themselves will collect the picture, when they themselves will give the voiceovers, the involvement they will have, and the result ultimately would be amazing, I'm sure. So that would be my next.
Nice to hear that. I'm also pretty confident it will be fabulous. Apart from presenting papers, you have participated in the other sessions of this 2 days of teacher conference. So what is your biggest takeaway from this teacher conference?
The biggest takeaway is I got some wonderful ideas from other people. See, when we come over for these conferences, we are not just one place. We meet people from Pan India, right? So we get some wonderful ideas, like ma'am here gave us the idea of making baskets with newspapers. Similarly, I got some wonderful ideas yesterday that we can permeate English language also in the activities which I did, and we can permeate other subjects like geography and maths and all that. So this is one wonderful thing that I'm filling my bag with and taking away with me.
So nice to hear. So nice to hear. What is your biggest takeaway?
The same thing as she said. Many ideas I have learned here. Means like interdisciplinary approach, multiple subject we can do within one activities. And for that we need a better planning. That would I like to say. And lots of ideas, yeah. The program was wonderful. We have learned so much.
Thank you. I was in conversation with Surbhi Mehta and Rakhi Chaudhary.